Ever walk into a kitchen that instantly calms your soul, where neutral tones and natural light make cooking feel like poetry? Discover how classic island designs transform chaos into serene, timeless beauty you'll crave to recreate. Imagine stepping into this sunlit haven where morning light spills softly across the warm beige island, wrapping everything in a gentle, nurturing glow. You feel instantly at home, fingers brushing smooth marble as the wood beams overhead whisper cozy secrets. It's pure comfort. Serene taupe walls cradle your senses, herbs scent the air faintly, and every corner invites lazy mornings with loved ones, hearts full and worries melted away. Peer from the corner into midday magic, where light dances over the oak island, turning taupe cabinets into a soothing embrace. The space hums with lived-in warmth. Concrete floors cool your feet while ivory walls glow like a hug. Stools beckon for lingering chats. Shelves of ceramics promise stories untold. Here, time slows. You breathe deep, feeling utterly content, wrapped in neutral tranquility that feeds the soul. Stand at eye level. Afternoon rays painting the island in soft beige bliss, shadows playing like old friends across soapstone. The greige cabinets and oak floors create a rhythmic calm, pulling you into their textured lull. A fruit bowl gleams invitingly. Sink into this nook feels like a heartfelt welcome, cozy, grounded, alive with the quiet joy of mornings spent savoring life's simple rhythms together. From above, skylight glows bathe the cream island in diffused peace, wainscoting walls echoing timeless grace. Limestone floors ground you softly. Benches promise easy gatherings. Roman shades filter light into a dreamy haze, runner rug adding whispered luxury. It's your sanctuary, expansive yet intimate, where laughter flows freely, hearts connect deeply, and every corner nurtures that profound sense of belonging. Lean close to the island as golden hour warms honey maple, marble cool under your palms, rosemary's earthiness teasing the air. Shiplap walls in greige hold the light like a secret, floors herringbone patterned for subtle charm. This spot pulses with creative energy, dough bowl waiting, windows framing green. You linger, inspired, wrapped in a golden cocoon of comfort that stirs the spirit. Three-quarter views reveal noontime brightness caressing the dove-gray island, butcher block inviting hands-on joy. Banquette nook curls around you protectively, slate floors echoing soft steps. Textiles layer in taupe whispers, coffered ceiling adding depth. It's alive with possibility. Conversations spark, coffee steams, and neutral harmony soothes every sense, making ordinary moments feel like cherished memories in the making. Front and center, clear-story light caresses bisque cabinets, Granite Island gleaming like a trusted companion. Crown moldings frame the space in elegant hush, Pine floors warm underfoot.
Podrakshuaj gently.
Lean in, feel the heartbeat of home, where neutral tones weave peace, stools invite deep talks, and sunlight infuses everything with heartfelt glow that lingers long after. Over your shoulder, late morning sun kisses linen-white island. Soapstone's matte touch grounding wandering thoughts. Shiplap grayish walls texture the light beautifully, eucalyptus nodding at windows. Chairs barrel around invitingly. Here, lemons brighten brass, linens drape like old friends. Breathe it in. The calm envelopes you, stirring quiet delight. A personal retreat where soul finds rest amid everyday poetry. Bird's eye sweeps over U-shaped flow, daylight evenly kissing antique white island, quartzite shining softly. Oak floors weave warmth, beams overhead like protective arms. Jars line shelves in neutral symphony. Its harmonious flow. Cooking becomes ritual, benches gather kin, buttermilk walls cradle light. Dive into this embrace. Pure, unhurried joy where every glance sparks gratitude for such timeless, heart-centered beauty. Side-angle frames hazy afternoon softening stone-gray island. Walnuts live edge rough-hewn and real. Leather stools sigh invitingly. Terrazzo cool beneath. Herb bundles dangle like charms. Linen walls texture the calm. Ovens promise warmth. Step inside. This neutral poetry pulls you close. light fading into golden hush, evoking deep peace where you truly unwind, connected to the rhythm of life. In neutral elegance lies true kitchen magic, spaces that nurture, inspire, and endure. Let these traditional island visions guide your own haven, where every meal becomes a cherished ritual wrapped in enduring warmth.